more than hearing myself sing, I like hearing others sing. I like to see, we're all hobby singers at different levels. The exact high quality doesn't really matter. What I love seeing is the passion that everyone has for the music, for the songs of yesteryear, and the passion to actually get together and just sing and have fun with each other. So, additionally, why we do it here is to get exposure, right, to the audience, the organic audience, the customers for Sigri Grill. One more time, shout out to Sigri Grill for providing this venue. So what happens is you have customers coming in and they hear this, and sometimes I know we've gotten a bunch of a group members through that. Somebody who walked in, heard this, wanted to be a part of it, joined the group and started showing up regularly, right? So right now what I would like to do is introduce a very young singer, Malika, and I've already forgotten your last name, Surya Devra. Malika Surya Devra. She heard this. She happened to be here. She's a Sangeet ki student hai ye. She's got an ustad back in India, and then I never got your name, but Mrs. Terry Prescott, who is her voice and vocal teacher here. So she's obviously got exposure to traditional Hindi singing as well as Western style singing. Right now she's gonna sing, this is not necessarily in the theme, from the movie Unpad, one of the absolute all-time gems by Lata Mangeshkar. Aapki nazron ne samjha pyar ke qabil mujhe. So I would love to have each one of you put your hands together, welcome Malika as she sings Aapki nazron ne samjha. Has anyone here heard the term, there's no such thing as a free lunch? Right? Everybody's heard that, right? So yes, almost everything in the world costs something. You know what absolutely costs you nothing at all? Applauding someone else and their passion. So one more time. Taaliyan bajaiye zara. Come on. There we go. Okay.
That one works. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Wow. Malika, great. Excellent job. And, she came up to me a little while ago, said that she'd been sitting here listening to us. She really wanted to sing, but she's also on a tight timeline. She was going to have to leave pretty soon. So thank you for everybody's patience, for letting us cut her in. And it would have been, I firmly believe, I hope I speak for everyone here, it would have been our loss if we had not given her an opportunity to sing. Malika, amazing singing. I'm exceptionally impressed by the correct pronunciation of all the nuances. Because, by the way, Malika is a native Telugu speaker. She does not speak Hindi. So, yes. So, one more time, big round of applause. That was so amazingly done. I know she's about to go off to college, but I hope that you will keep us in mind, and when you're back in town, you will come by and visit, and we would love to hear from you again. Awesome job. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for letting me sing.
Of course, mic me keh dein. Say it in the mic. So, thank you. And thank you, Miss Terry. Hi. Preston. Terry Preston, was that it? Thank you very much, and good job teaching this young lady. All right, Chandra Sahib, aaiye zara yahan par. He's going to go to Teen Deviyan. Yes. Dev Anand, S.T. Burman, beautiful